In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT-5 completely for free. No login, no credit card, just pure access. Let's get into it. First, open any search engine and search for AI Free Forever. Then visit the official website at aifreeforever.com. If it's your first time visiting, you may need to solve a quick security CAPTCHA. That is totally normal, just go ahead and complete it. Now, if you notice any glitches or things look a bit off on the page, it is just a rendering issue. To fix it, simply set your browser's zoom level to around 70 to 80% for the best experience. And here is the best part. You can use this entire platform without creating an account at all. That means better privacy for you and zero hassle getting started. Whether you want to chat, generate images using AI, or even create voiceovers, everything is right here. The platform packs in all the modern AI tools you could need, including an awesome text-to-speech feature powered by AI, perfect for voiceovers and creative projects. Now, if you want to use ChatGPT specifically, just follow these simple steps. Send hi to the bot, and you will be redirected to the next page. You must be 13 years or older to use this tool, and you will need to accept the terms and conditions before getting started. Once you are in, make sure the Browse the Web option is turned on if you want up-to-date, real-time information. You can also set the AI's role and give it a custom name if you like that personal touch. Want to verify you are actually using ChatGPT-5? Just ask it, "What version are you?" and it will tell you straight up, or maybe not. Alright, you also have the option to attach documents, upload your homework, and even generate images all completely for free. To generate an image, describe what you want as precisely and in as much detail as possible. The more specific, the better the result. For this demo, I am using a prompt for a natural landscape scene. Choose your preferred image model and aspect ratio, but keep in mind that not all aspect ratios are supported by every model. Once you are set, solve the security CAPTCHA, and hit Generate. Image generation can take a couple of seconds depending on server load and how many users are online at that moment, so just be patient. Do not be afraid to experiment with different AI models and configurations to find out which one gives you the best results for your style. Now let us talk about the AI voice generator. This feature is seriously impressive. There are tons of voice models available on this platform, suitable for all kinds of projects. Preview the voices and select the one that fits your vibe.
Hi, I'm a text-to-speech voice created by AI.
Hi, I'm a text-to-speech voice created by
Hi, I'm a text-to-speech voice created by AI Free Forever, a website that provides.
Scroll down and enter your text into the provided box. It supports up to 5,000 characters at a time. Once you are ready, solve the CAPTCHA and click Generate Speech. The process takes just a couple of seconds, and then you can download your generated audio straight to your device. Easy.
A wide cinematic natural landscape during golden hour, featuring a gently rolling meadow.
There are plenty more AI tools on this platform that I did not cover today. I will leave those for you to discover and explore on your own. Trust me, there is a lot to dig into. Alright, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you are new here, make sure you hit subscribe so you do not miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.